Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I recreate up those smoky eyes. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and also comment below. So let's get started the video. Now I apply Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer for prep my skin, and also I use Elements this fairness cream that's for blur out my pores. It's really good for blur out any kind of pores. I apply this foundation Maybelline Fit Me foundation. That's a blazing thing of mine, and also at the last moment I applied the warm base concealer for my under eyes. Really focus on my T-zone area and also around my mouth for hiding the darkness. Use a damn beauty blender for blending everything seamlessly. Then I use Maybelline compact powder for set everything. After that, I'm using a dark brown shade for my eyebrows from Morphe palette. So I love this palette because it's really pigmented and it's really gorgeous. Now you can see that I correct my eyebrows using a concealer, and I just blend it out use a mini beauty blender. Also apply on my eyelids for my eye makeup base. Now I'm using a warm brown shade for my crease line. It's gonna be my transaction shade. Now I'm using a dark brown shade for my outer V. So it's defined my crease and it's defined my eye shape. You can see that I already done my cut crease. Then I apply a metallic blue shade from Huda Beauty Small Brick palette. It's a blue basic palette. So I really love this pigmentation. I just love it. I'm applying the same dark brown shade outer V of my eyelids because I don't want any kind of harsh line or any kind of crease on my eyelids. So I just blending out everything seamlessly again. Now I apply Maybelline Fit Me Concealer under my eyes for highlighting my facial features. using Maybelline compact powder for set my concealer because I told you before I don't want any kind of crease on my face. Now I'm slightly contouring my face. It's look like little bit of chisel face. Again I'm using shimmery this metallic blue shade on my eyelids. It's really pigmented. You can see this. Now I'm using my finger for my highlighting. I just highlight my all over my face. I mean T-zone of my face. Finally, I apply my mascara on my eyelashes. I just love this mascara because it gives us such a nice volume on my lashes, and also I apply kajal half lower of my lashes. I hope guys you enjoy this video. So please, if you enjoy this video and also if you love this look, please give a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel and comment below for the next video. So bye bye.